Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev and today I want to show you one more magnetic switch keyboard. Name of the model is Shine60 and today I have this keyboard with echo magnetic switches with the name of the switch is Flash Magnetic. So the brand, as you may see on the box, is Veekos, right? And inside the box you will have a keyboard itself. I have today is in a white color with a side printed legend. You will have a 2.4 wireless dongle and actually it's hidden on the back side in a separate slot, right? You have adjustable fits also on the back side. You have this RGB bar on the back side and you have this slot for a handler if you like it, and you have a switch between Bluetooth, wireless and wired connection. And it means that this version, at least what I have today, is a wireless. So it's a magnetic gaming keyboard with Hall effect and magnetic switches, but also wireless. So what is the main selling points of this keyboard? First of all, obviously, you can see this Lightbox, right? And it's pretty beautiful. I can say that it's first time when I can see this approach, obviously not, but in general, in a white color, I like this approach. Also, we have a rapid trigger starting from 0.01 millimeters, and we have 8K pulling rate, and we are going to test this a little bit later. Also, we have a pretty powerful ARGB. This keyboard is cross-compatible with other magnetic switches. We have onboard memory, we have NK rollover, and we have a shine-through legends on the keycaps. From the keycaps point of view, let me eject several of them, so I will be able to show you them closer, right? Basically, it's a standard double-shot PBT keycaps, but with the transparent insert and side-printed legends obviously shine through. So in general, this keyboard is really beautiful. Under keycaps you can see how brightful RGB, right, with this flash magnetic switch. Also you can have a glare magnetic switch if you want. It's a different switch, but this one, it sounds pretty nice. I will show you later, and let me remind you that this is from Echo. Under the switch we have a south-facing RGB to support side-printed legends and shine through. It's a logical and standard, and we have aluminum switch plate. Okay, now let's do some testing. Let's start from the pulling rate, and we have three options: Bluetooth, wireless and wired. I will skip Bluetooth obviously because it's the slowest one and not suitable for gaming. From the wireless point of view, we have 1K pulling rate. You can see the spike in the middle of the middle chart, and if are you going to connect with a wired, right, with a USB cable, you will get a 8K pulling rate. You see that we have 8K scale on the middle chart on the right side. From the gaming point of view, we have a rapid trigger and actuation point settings, and this is a result in Valorant with the default settings. As always, we have a little bit longer distance between holes on the wall, but if you switch the settings to extreme with a 0.5 actuation point and 0.2 rapid trigger, you will get much closer results, much better accuracy for the gaming test. From the driver point of view, you have all standard functions, and by the way, it's a web driver. You have advanced settings, you have gaming settings, you have like other settings, but the most important, you have actuation point, and you can change all keys or separate keys. You can use rapid trigger, you can skip this function if you want, but it doesn't make sense because this is a gaming mechanical keyboard with Hall effect, and this is a main feature of such keyboards, right? And you have all other settings what you can find in majority web drivers today on the market. From the price point of view, you can find this keyboard in several options. You can choose wired option or multi-mode, and you have two options of the switches, glare and flash. So the price is vary from $49.99 to $69.99, And if you decide to choose a wired version, you will have a pretty good keyboard for $50. And if you want a little bit more versatile approach with a wireless connection, you will have it for $70, which is not bad, not the cheapest one, but also not an expensive one. And from the versatility point of view, it's pretty good keyboard for the gaming, typing. And regarding the typing, let me leave you with a sound test, and you will hear that sound of this keyboard is pretty good. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was useful for you.